Vehicular assault can occur two different ways. When an individual operates a motor vehicle in a reckless manner which causes serious bodily injury, the driver is charged with vehicular assault, which is a Class 5 felony. For example, if a person drove 100 miles per hour on the freeway on a snowy day and slid into another car, resulting in the driver breaking his leg, the driver who was speeding would be charged with vehicular assault. Reckless driving is a wanton or willful disregard for the safety of persons or property. The second way an individual can be charged is when an individual is operating a motor vehicle impaired by alcohol or drugs and causes serious bodily injury, which is a Class 4 felony. This charge would be accompanied by driving under the influence. It does not matter whether the individual was taking prescription medication, they will still be charged. Impairment is defined to be a person substantially incapable either mentally and/or physically of exercising clear judgment, sufficient physical control, or due care in the safe operation of a vehicle. Impairment can be proven by a blood alcohol test or supported by observations of witnesses and police officers. Vehicular homicide is comprised of the same elements as vehicular assault, with one distinguishing difference. The injured party suffers death. These are terribly sad cases for all parties involved. The driver of the vehicle must deal with the fact that their actions caused the death of another individual, and charges carrying prison are pending. It is a terrible situation to be in, but there is hope to resolving these cases in the most favorable way possible. When taking on a vehicular homicide case, the first thing we want to know is if the victim was a passenger in the vehicle. If so, was the individual engaged in consuming alcohol and/or drugs and voluntarily put themselves in this situation? The resolution of vehicular homicide cases is different depending on these facts. Also, we want to know the driving history of the driver. Has he or she had any prior DUIs? If you have been charged or are being investigated for vehicular assault or vehicular homicide, you should immediately consult with an attorney to understand your rights and options going forward. Call the law offices of Stephen Louth today to have all of your questions answered and give you an idea of where your case is going during a free consultation.